how to record and calculate Dysphonia Severity Index in Cantaris. So first things first, you need a selected person and a date of measurement, and you need to be in the Phonanium Voice Lab mode. In Phonanium, you will see the Dysphonia Severity Index tab right here. To calculate the DSI, the Dysphonia Severity Index, you'll need 4 parameters. The first one is the softest intensity of a vowel, the highest frequency that someone is able to produce in a vowel, just one steady 3-second sustained vowel, and the maximum phonation time. Now, maybe you have already recorded a maximum phonation time in the aerodynamic tab of Cantaris with the record MPT, record maximum phonation time button, for example. Now this maximum phonation time was 3.3 seconds. If you record another one, which could be slightly longer, you would see it as a new try, and Cantaris takes the biggest try as the maximum phonation time. Now, in Dysphonia Severity Index, you might copy the value, use Cantaris value to fill it already in the DSI calculation. If you don't, you can just click the button and already make a maximum phonation time from your client, and it'll take that as the maximum phonation time. So you don't have to record something twice. Now, same thing with the vowel. If you already have an acoustic voice quality index vowel with a 3-second A phonation, you can also use that, copy from Cantaris, and use the AVQI, the AVQI vowel right here. But let's just record the rest with these buttons. So, Dysphonia Severity Index soft refers to the softest that your client is able to produce. We know from scientific evidence that the better the voice, the softer they might be able to phonate. So, clicking it, instructing our client to phonate on an A as soft as they can. Without whispering. Cantaris fills it already in. You can just click on it again and record it again, and if it's softer, Cantaris fills in the softest one. Now, the Dysphonia Severity Index high refers to the highest fundamental frequency that someone is able to create. So you'll instruct them with the gliding tone going upwards. Clicking stop, and Cantaris takes the highest fundamental frequency. If you already made a voice range profile from your client, you might as well click the right mouse button and copy, or use Cantaris value and take it right from the voice range profile. So your client probably did a lot of glissandos already, might as well copy it from there. And last but not least, a steady, slightly longer than 3-second vowel, and Cantaris calculates the Dysphonia Severity Index, which is 2.16 in my case. A bigger number indicates a better vocal function, and a lower number indicates a worse vocal function. And the threshold or reference value in scientific evidence is most of the time 1.6. Now, you'll understand that a longer maximum phonation time, a softer possible softest level, a higher highest fundamental frequency, or a better quality vowel will all increase this number. So it's a togetherness of parameters that will push the DSI upwards or downwards. Same thing as with acoustic voice quality index. Right-clicking this will give you the copy of the results, or clicking options and then copy to clipboard. The DSI is added to the measurements we have right here. You can see it in the reference table also, so the DSI score, if it's below or above the the reference value. And in the timeline, you might see the DSI score being incorporated into the timeline of all measurements of this person. So you might copy this to the clipboard and paste it wherever you like. That's how you record and calculate Dysphonia Severity Index in Cantaris.